How to delete Instagram account permanently? Yes, this is the topic of today's video. I know that you may have gone to your Instagram profile setting and searched for that delete button, and at last you don't find any kind of delete button there, so this video is exactly for you. And in this video I will not only talk about how you can delete your Instagram account permanently, but also how you can restore your deleted Instagram account. So now let's move on to our mobile screen and see how we can exactly delete our Instagram account permanently. And also, if you are new here, then please make sure that you subscribe the channel. So guys, here to delete your Instagram account permanently, just open the Instagram app first and just click here on your profile icon, and after that just click here on three line and go to the setting, and then click here help and click help center, and then open the help center with the Chrome browser or any other browser. And after you open your help center page, then just click here on managing your account, and then just click here delete your account, and then you can see here three options. If you want to permanently delete your account, then just click here on the second option and scroll down to here and click here on delete your account, and then open this with Instagram. And after that just log into your Instagram account by providing your phone number, email or username, and then password. And then here you get the option to delete your Instagram account permanently. So here you can see your username like Techiman2021, and here you can find the drop down menu where they will ask why you want to delete your account. So choose any of these, like I will choose privacy concern, and just re-enter your password here. After entering your password there, just click here delete button and just click here OK. So after clicking OK button there, you will see like this information in your web page, which clearly means that if you delete your account on January 1st and if you change your mind and want your deleted account back, then under 30 days, which means until February 1st, you can just go to the Instagram and log in with the same username and password. And after you logged in, the Instagram will ask whether you want to keep using that account or not. So just click on keep account and you are good to go. But please make sure that you do this step under 30 days of deleting your account. Otherwise, after 30 days, Instagram will automatically delete your account for lifelong period. So finally, as you have seen how easily we can delete or restore our Instagram account. And if you really want to support me, it means Techiman, then please do subscribe the channel and click that bell icon. And until then, keep moving forward.